from day one, never needed a direction. A year later, I'm on top of the projections, and everybody telling me that they think I'ma make it. And I'm just trying to get used to people thinking I'm famous. Making a statement in the game I came in. The haters tried to weigh in, but their name's not Damon. People hitting me up, I ain't heard from in a minute. Acting like we cool, cause they heard that I was spitting. Forget it, keep it brief please, no boxers. Circle of trust closed and you're Greg Fokker. Swag times 2, poetical haiku. If you nicer than me, why didn't they find you? Ooh, hungry dude, and you lames are on the menu. They just mad that we doing everything they pretend to. Damn, middle finger to the doubters. Sharing life with people that couldn't live it without us. Yeah,
cause I'm never gonna stop.
Never.
And all my haters gonna fall. As I make my way to the top, bitch, you ought to know by now that I'ma give it all I got.
I'ma give
Whether
it
you
up.
like my shit or not, 'cause you're gonna hear my name a lot. Bitch, you ought to
Look,
know by now.
I'm double XL dreaming, coming quicker than some semen. Been ballin' from first pitch, but it's a long season. Yeah, sold out, but we pack 'em in. Guess this rapping thing is happening. Don't dress the part, but I feel like I belong. No jewelry on, bitch, I'm something like LeBron. Fitted jeans, fresh sleeves, tee, no polo. Shooting for my goals, who the fuck is Hope Solo? I stay with my team, no homo, nigga, no hope. So come over and bounce up on the stick like a pogo. Oh, and I swear that I'm here to stay. I got dreams of a bigger state. Are they real or fake? Guess we'll have to wait and see patiently until the top spot is a vacancy. Damn, middle finger to the doubters, sharing life with people.